Hello everyone, I am Pavithra. Next topic we can see about call by reference. In call by reference, the address of the argument is passed to the function and changes that are made to the functions are reflected back to the values. We use the pointers of the required type to receive the address in the function. Then an example of the program will be as a call by reference hash include stdio.h means header files. Void is an header type. Swap integer a comma integer b into uh, the void swap integer a comma integer b. Then in int temp equal to star a semicolon and star means pointer. So a pointer a equal to pointer b semicolon, pointer b equal to temp semicolon. Next close the bracket. Next driver code or integer main functions will be started. Integer variable two values are declared 10 20 variables to be declared x y. The x value is 10, the y value is 20 semicolon. Printf values of x and y before swap are percentage d comma percentage d slash n means new line character comma x of value of 10 x comma y. Swap and x comma and y. Printf values of x and y after swap are percentage d comma x comma y. Return a 0 semicolon. Then next topic, the output of the program. Values of x and y before the swap are 10 comma 20. Values of x and y after the swap are 20 comma 10. Next one, advantages of user-defined function. The advantages of user-defined function in the program are as follows. One, can avoid duplication of code in the programs by using functions. The code can be written more quickly and be more readable as a result. Then next point, code can be divided and conquered using functions. This process is known as divide and conquer. It is difficult to write large amounts of code within the main functions as well as testing and debugging. Our one task can be divided into several smaller subtasks by using functions, thus reducing the overall complexity. The next point, for example, when using POW poverty, square root, etc. in C without knowing how it is implemented, one can hide implementation details with functions. With a little to number of modifications, functions developed in one program can be used in another program, reducing to the development time. The next one, parameters passing techniques in C. In C, there are different ways in which parameter data can be passed into and out of methods and functions. Let us assume that a function B is called from another functions A. In this case, A is called caller functions and B is called the called function or callee functions. Also, the arguments which A sends to B are called actual arguments and the parameters of the B are called formal arguments. The terminology, three terminology can be used: formal parameter, actual parameter, and modes. The formal parameter, a variable, and its type as it appears in the prototype of the function or method. The actual parameters will be explained that the variable or expression corresponding to a formal parameter that appears in the function or method are called in the calling environment. The modes of in, out, in, out. In means passes info from caller to the callee. Out from callee writes values in the caller. The in and out to join the formal parameters and actual parameters will be the calls tells the callee the value of the variable which the callee may update. Thank you.